How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over an interior light bar setup using our GranDirect Control Box. So for example here, I have our Super Takedown MultiColor Raptor Linear on the bottom, and I have our MultiColor Virtue 8 Traffic Advisor on the top. So this will be a visor light bar on the bottom and our traffic advisor on the top. Now with your GranDirect Control Box, again your visor light bar, which is your Raptor, will plug into the Grand side here, and then your MultiColor Virtue 8, which is your traffic advisor, will plug into the direct side here. Now on the Grand side of your GranDirect, you'll see that I have a power button here, and then you'll have mode 1 and mode 2. So in mode 1, I have a simple combo style flash pattern there, which is our 1-1 to 2-2 flash pattern. And then in mode 2, I have our combo patrol, which is another combo pattern that we have recently introduced as well. So that's mode 1 and mode 2, so you have two flash pattern memories. Now since this is a multicolor unit, you can also run your light bar in your primary or secondary colors as well. So this is a red, blue, clear color example. So red, blue will be my primary color and clear will be my secondary. So if I cycle to the end of the pattern sequence using my pattern button here, I'll have combo rapid, and then I'll have 4 patterns in my primary color and then 4 patterns in my secondary color. So for example here, I'll program a red-blue flash pattern in mode 2. Now you'll notice my light bar is only flashing in red-blue. Now my 2 takedown modules here will come standard clear, and we do offer a multicolor upgrade there if you would like to. And then here I have a Super Takedown GranDirect Control Box. So here the Super TD button will activate the Super Takedown on the multicolor Raptor Linear here. When that's deactivated, your light bar will go back to flashing, and same with your takedowns. Those will operate independently, or you can activate those while your light bar is flashing as well, and when that's deactivated, those modules will flash with the rest of your light bar. So here will be the direct side of your GranDirect Control Box. So here you'll have your power button, and then you'll have mode 1 and mode 2. Now for example here, I have our 1-1 to 2-2 combo style flash pattern programmed on the MultiColor Linear Virtue 8. Now this is a red, blue, amber color example, so you'll notice your light bar is flashing back and forth between red, blue, and amber. Now to show you the multicolor functionality where you can run primary, secondary, or multicolor, you'll see I have that programmed here on the direct side. So in mode 2, I have just a red-blue flash pattern programmed, so you'll see my light bar is only flashing red-blue. And then in multicolor, I have that programmed in mode 1. And again, your primary, secondary, and multicolor flash patterns will be in the pattern sequence of your light bar. And then here, I have my traffic advising functions. So in center out, I went ahead and programmed an amber flash pattern. So on this side, I can run multicolor, my primary color, or my secondary color here with the 3 functions. And again, I went ahead and programmed those flash patterns to those buttons there. Now beyond your mode 1, mode 2, your traffic advising functions, you'll have your pattern button here, which will cycle patterns, whether you're in mode 1, mode 2, or your traffic advisor. And then here you have your night mode, which will activate the backlight LEDs on your GranDirect Control Box. I'll go ahead and shut the light bar off there. So again, your night mode will activate the backlight LEDs on your control box. And then finally, you have your aux button here, which will be an extra line coming off of your cable harness where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your GranDirect Control Box if you would like to hook up extra lights. For example, our Z surface mounts would work perfect on your license plates for the front and rear, and you could activate those off your aux here. And on the bottom of your GranDirect Control Box, you'll notice a slide switch here, and that will control the flashing speed of your traffic advisor, whether you're in mode 1, mode 2, or your traffic advising functions. So I'll go ahead and activate the traffic advisor here for example. Now I'm in slow mode here. Now if I switch this over to fast, you'll see that the light bar starts flashing faster. And again, to show you the multicolor primary and secondary built into the flash patterns, I'll go ahead and change patterns here. So this is an amber color flash pattern. And then I'll have my multicolor patterns past my secondary color because amber was my secondary color. So you'll have 3 patterns in red, blue, amber, and then you'll have 3 patterns in red, blue, 1, 2, 3, and then you'll have your secondary color flash patterns. Now that's for the traffic advisor. You'll have 3 in each traffic advising modes, and then in your regular warning mode, you will have 40 flash patterns to choose from with our multicolor Virtue 8 traffic advisor. So that covers a great interior setup option using our Raptor Visor light bar, not the X model, and then our Striker or Virtue 6 or 8 traffic advisors, and also our dark traffic advisor will work as well. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demo, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.